One of the important topics that we have today that we have to deal with in our practices is the health at our work sites. We need to be able to see how we can make this work effectively. In other words, we see nationally huge absenteeism, loss of productivity, costing between $150 and $200 billion a year to the employers of the United States, and not having a wellness activity for their employees, and the fact that these employees do not remain well. So what we need to be looking at is we need to look at the same philosophy for our dental teams that we have for our dental patients. So with our dental patients, many times we look then at how we're able to put them into a state of wellness and be able to keep them in that condition and have retention of those people then in our practices. Well, the same philosophy needs to exist for our employees. We need to look at how we can establish wellness type programs, how we can bring health to the individuals that are in our practices, working in our practices, not just physical but in mental and emotional health as well, and be able then to retain those people in our practices over a long period of time. It costs us thousands to replace dental patients. It costs us even more. It's astronomical what it costs us even more to be able to replace employees in our practices. So let's look then at what we can do in individual practices to maintain better health physically and emotionally for all of the people that work with us in our practices every day. Have a great week.